Hello and welcome to lyranara.com, and today we're gonna talk about castor oil and focus on its health benefits, especially for your eyes and vision, and how you can treat many common conditions of the eyes with castor oil naturally and without side effects. And first, of course, we're gonna give you a short introduction on what castor oil exactly is, and then we're gonna dive right into the health benefits, the general ones, and then specifically the ones for your eyes and vision. So without further ado, let's dive right in and learn more about castor oil. First, what is castor oil? Well, castor oil, also called Ricinus communis, is a native plant to the tropical areas of Africa and India, and it's very famous for its oil-rich castor beans. It's a pale yellow liquid extracted from the castor seeds, and it's classified as a type of the triglyceride fatty acid, and almost 90% of its fatty acid content is a specific and rare compound called ricinoleic acid. Castor oil is produced by cold pressing the seeds, and subsequent clarification of the oil is done by heat. Castor oil is an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antioxidant remedy that has been used for its medicinal and therapeutic benefits for centuries. It's also commonly used in cosmetics, soaps, medicines, massage oils, as well as many other everyday products. Castor oil is used that much in that many products because it is loaded with minerals, proteins, vitamin E, as well as other nutrients. And thanks to its many great health benefits, castor oil has been used externally and internally for thousands of years. Castor oil can deal with major ailments and illnesses such as multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, cerebral palsy, yeast infections, constipation, gastrointestinal problems, menstrual disorders, hair loss, acne, inflammations, skin abrasions, and of course eye problems, as we will see. And here we have a list of its many health benefits, starting with benefits for your skin. It reduces skin inflammation and keratosis. It reduces also wrinkles, acne. It moisturizes your skin. It fades blemishes. It prevents stretch marks and reduces pigmentation. It's also great for your hair because it promotes hair growth. It treats scalp infections. It prevents premature graying and conditions your hair. And there are other health benefits, like for example that it treats ringworms very well. It's great for disinfecting wounds. It acts as a laxative. It reduces joint pain and arthritis pain. It boosts your immune system. It's great for treating back pain, improves your vision, your blood circulation, activates and supports your lymphatic system. It's also antimicrobial and antifungal, and it's also great for constipation as it eases constipation. And it is also great for your eyes and your vision. Why? Because castor oil is very rich in fatty acids, and 90% of those fatty acids is the so-called ricinoleic acid that we talked about shortly. And those ingredients make castor oil not only a home remedy for your skin, but also an inexpensive natural treatment for your eyes, as we will see. Besides, castor oil has that amazing ability that is rarely seen in other vegetable oils, which is to deeply penetrate into the skin and dissolve impurities that are stuck in existing oils of the face. And therefore, castor oil possesses the cleansing, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and nourishing properties that might tailor very well with your eye problems, with any eye problem, as we will see that you might have, or many of them. And the only issue of castor oil are its sterility and safety, and therefore please discuss the castor oil remedies we mention here with your ophthalmologist and use the castor oil that he recommends. And we recommend that in any case you use 100% organic cold pressed castor oil as it works best for your eyes. Also ensure that it is hexane free. There are other varieties of cold pressed castor oil that your doctor might recommend, and this can include pharmaceutical grade castor oil or sterile castor oil. So let's see what conditions of the eyes you can treat very well with castor oil. And one very common one that many people are complaining about is dry eyes. And dry eyes occur when the quantity and or quality of the tears fail to keep the surface of the eyes adequately lubricated, and the experts estimate that dry eyes affect millions of adults in the United States alone. The risk of developing dry eyes increases with aging, and women have a higher prevalence of dry eyes compared with men. The major cause of dry eyes is non-infectious obstructive meibomian tear gland function. Dry eyes cause a scratchy sensation or the feeling that something is in the eye. Other symptoms include stinging or burning, episodes of excess tearing that follow periods of dryness, discharge, pain, and redness in the eye. And people with dry eyes may also feel as if their eyelids are heavy and may experience blurred vision. Castor oil is one of the most efficient ways to treat this eye dryness. How do you do it? Well, you mix saline solution with castor oil. You add the saline castor oil solution with a dropper into your eyes 1 to 3 times per day, especially before you go to sleep, and then you massage the closed eyes softly. Castor oil supports the eye's lipid production and better dispersion thereof, improves the meibomian gland activity, and reduces the evaporation of tears. Two other common conditions of the eyes that you can treat very well with castor oil are cataracts and glaucomas. Cataract and glaucomas occur in older persons and may even lead to blindness. However, even younger people are now getting cataracts due to an unhealthy nutrition, lack of hydration, excessive usage of computers, tablets, and mobile phones. And cataracts and glaucomas are degenerative conditions, and they are a result of free radical or oxidative damage. In the case of cataracts, it is an oxidation of the protein structure of the eye lens, a process called glycation, and the damage is likened to the process of egg white protein turning opaque when it is slowly heated. So this is the process of glycation, working from the outer ring of the lens to the center of the lens. In Ayurveda, castor oil plays an important role in treating cataracts, especially in the initial stages. Use castor oil to dissolve cataracts without surgery and pain. You add 1 drop of castor oil into each eye before going to bed, and you will find a significant improvement to your vision within 2 to 6 weeks. You can also mix it with coconut water and to treat cataracts and glaucoma and age-related macular degenerations in general. Coconut water contains powerful antioxidants that quickly hunt down and destroy the free radicals, but it also contains high amounts of magnesium, potassium, and other minerals and enzymes that all help to relax the lens proteins, which then allow it to realign and become transparent once again. Castor oil mixed with coconut water and frankincense essential oil is also an effective remedy to treat glaucoma if it is combined with a keto non-oxidative diet. It also lowers blood pressure and the insulin content in your blood. You can also treat so-called eye floaters with castor oil. What are eye floaters? Well, they are spots in your vision, and they may look to you like black or gray specks or strings or cobwebs that drift about when you move your eyes and appear to dart away when you try to look at them directly. Most eye floaters are caused by age-related changes that occur as the jelly-like substance, the so-called vitreous inside your eyes, become more liquid. Microscopic fibers within the vitreous tend to clump and can cast tiny shadows on your retina, and the shadows you see are called floaters. Symptoms of eye floaters are small shapes in your vision that appear as dark specks or knobby transparent strings of floating material, spots that move when you move your eyes, so when you try to look at them, they move quickly out of your visual field, spots that are most noticeable when you look at the plain bright background, such as a blue sky or a white wall, small shapes or strings that eventually settle down and drift out of your line of vision as well. And castor oil is the single best remedy to improve this eye condition because it is a perfect antioxidant source for your eyes. Another very common eye problem is the so-called conjunctivitis, which is also called pink eyes, which is caused by an inflammation or infection of the transparent membrane, the so-called conjunctiva, that lines your eyelid and covers the white part of your eyeball. And when small blood vessels in that conjunctiva become inflamed, they become more visible, and that is what causes the white of your eyes to appear reddish or pink. Pink eyes may be caused by an allergic reaction also, or in babies by an incompletely opened tear duct. And although the pink eye is irritated, it rarely affects your vision. Treatments can help ease the discomfort of the pink eye, and because the pink eye can be contagious, early diagnosis and treatment can help limit its spread. The most common pink eye symptoms you should look out for are redness and itchiness in one or both of your eyes, a gritty feeling and a discharge in one or both eyes that forms a crust during the night that may prevent your eye or your eyes from opening up in the morning, and also tearing. Castor oil has an antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory action, thus it is very beneficial for this condition called conjunctivitis. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil, which are thanks to the ricinoleic acid that it contains, help reduce the redness and the swelling of your eyes, and the oil also soothes the skin, and this can help reduce also wrinkles and fine lines around your eyes. We can also treat puffy and swollen eyes with castor oil. You just pour 2 drops of castor oil on your fingertip and you gently apply this to the puffed up areas under your eyes before bedtime. You wash your face the next morning and repeat this every night, and you will see results within a few days. The same remedy can work very well also for sunken eyelids. The soothing properties of castor oil benefit you in this regard again. Blepharitis is a condition causing inflammation or swelling of the eyelids, and castor oil can help here again as it contains this ricinoleic acid, which acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. Wash your eyelashes with lukewarm water, apply a warm compress to the affected eyelid for 5 minutes, and using a cotton swab, apply a few drops of castor oil on the affected eyelid when they are closed. You can also apply this on the lashes to prevent the formation of crusts. You do this before bedtime, and you rinse your eyes with warm water the next morning, and you repeat this once daily for a few days. But that's not all that castor oil can do for you. It can also reduce wrinkles and dark circles around your eyes. The important fatty acids in the castor oil nourish the skin and lighten the dark circles. You take a couple of drops of castor oil on your fingertips again and rub them together to warm up the oil a little bit. You massage then the oil under your eyes for a minute, leave it overnight, and wash it again with warm water the next morning. And you repeat this for a few days, and you're gonna see the results. A Japanese study also found out that castor oil has very strong corneal protective effects. The emollient properties of castor oil can also help reduce wrinkles around the eyes. Cleanse your face with a normal cleanser, pat dry with a clean towel, and then take a drop of castor oil on your palm again. Using your finger, apply it to the wrinkles around your eyes. Apply the oil along the entire length of the fine lines and wrinkles you have. You don't have to wash your face after this, as the oil will be absorbed into your skin within 20 minutes. You can also use rose water as a facial toner. Rose water and castor oil work wonders for the eyes and your skin. Continue this treatment every day until you see visible results. And castor oil is of course not the only natural eye remedy that you can use to alleviate problems. Most important nutrients for healthy eyes are vitamin C, Q10 and serrapeptase. Citrus biflavonoids like areocitrine, hesperidine, flavonols, flavones, flavonoids, naringenin and quercetin. Also mixed carotenoids such as astaxanthin, beta-carotene, cryptoxanthin, lutein, lycopene and zeaxanthin. Also bilberry extract, jujube extract, ginkgo biloba, which helps improve circulation to the eye. Suma extract, mucuna pruriens extract, cinnamon and ashwagandha, lithium berry extract, also known as goji berries. Studies have shown that the ingestion of goji berries increases the zeaxanthin levels and may help reduce the risk of IRMD. Also great is sarsaparilla and Coleus foscoli, as well as alpha-lipoic acid as a strong antioxidant. And what you need to keep in mind is that cataracts, macular degeneration and other problems with your vision and your eye can often be prevented, stopped or slowed down with an appropriate diet, supplements and lifestyle changes. And if you think you get all the nutrients you need through your diet and your multivitamins that you take, think again. These are very specific nutrients that have been proven to support your eye health that you might be missing because you're not eating enough of the foods that contain them, or which may not be included in your multivitamin supplements. It is impossible to fit every proven nutrient into one supplement, and it's difficult to obtain all the carotenoids and other nutrients we need through our food. In addition, our eyes are very complex organs and require an extremely high proportion of nutrients to maintain their proper functions, as Jeffrey R. Anshel has written in Smart Medicine for Your Eyes. According to Anshel, even though the brain and visual system make up only 2% of our body weight, they use up to 25% of our nutritional intake. Thus, it is very easy to see that if our nutrient levels are low, deficient, the strength and elasticity of the eye tissues may be compromised, which may in turn result in poor vision and other problems like the ones we've discussed. So, time for conclusions. What have we learned about castor oil and its health benefits? Castor oil has been used and is well known for thousands of years and has always been used in those thousands of years for beauty, so for skin and hair and in general health problems. Castor oil is obtained, as we've discussed, through cold pressing of the seed produced by a shrub known as Ricinus communis. It contains many nutrients such as ricinoleic acid, over 85% of ricinoleic acid to be more precise, also proteins, minerals and vitamin E. And its major health benefits are that it improves the hair and the skin condition, it supports and treats eye vision ailments, it regulates digestion and excretion, it eases constipation, it is also a great pain relief for joint problems, it boosts the lymphatic activity, so it's great for detoxing, and it also activates your blood circulation. And you've seen in this presentation that it has many multiple health benefits for your eyes and vision conditions. And if you have any further question about the castor oil and how to use it for your specific condition, please give us a call 1-888-773-3196. That is 1-888-773-3196. You can also contact us via email at shop@lyranara.com. I'm gonna post the contact information also in the description box below. And with that being said, I hope that you've enjoyed this presentation. If you did so, please like, share and subscribe to support our channel. And until next time, stay healthy.